Wow.
Welcome back to Chunk Stop. We are reacting to Reviteja Garu's Mass
Mass
Jatara.
Jatara,
I
yes.
feel that's a title or what, because it's mentioned glimpse. I feel it's a movie name only.
And that too, no, yesterday his birthday, and he will be calling as Mass Maharaja, no? So I think like Mass Maharaja, that mask they have taken, and Mass Jatara, like that
We
they have
never
put it
know
on,
actually, like, it can be the name also, because
Yeah.
Mass Jatara
Ah.
or he's going to be Mass in this movie.
Yeah.
Because we are reacting his old movies now.
Yeah.
We haven't watched any of his new movies.
And that too, recently only we completed Venki movie, no?
Yes, and just after that only, like, just we completed the next day,
Next
his
day only,
birthday,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
And about this movie starring Reviteja Garu and
Srileela.
Srileela. Their combo was in Dhamaka, right?
Yeah, that
I
movie
think-
was a blockbuster actually.
Yeah, might be because of that the same combo is going to repeat.
And that too, no, after Dhamaka, I think his movie was not that much. I think only Walter Viraya was hit.
Ravanasura movie and
that
all.
and all is not
it
that
was
much, not that
was
much
some
good, I
train movie and all were there.
Yeah,
no?
yeah, yeah.
What
One,
was that?
Not train movie, like Thief movie.
Thief
Dunga, yeah, one
movie.
movie was there.
Some movie was, yeah, I remember, but it wasn't that great. All those movies.
Like we have not watched. Like we are telling about the reports, okay?
Yeah, based on the reports only. So I don't know, actually, you know, some video we told about his recent movies
More
and
recent
all.
movies,
That
yeah.
time only people suggested us to watch his old movies.
Yes.
Because we reacted, if I'm not wrong, Ravanasura or the other movie what we are talking.
Some old type, that is a biopic
Thief,
kind of. Yeah.
We reacted that movie. That time we told we haven't not watched his movies much, and we don't know about this actor and all. That time only they asked us to watch his old movies. Then we started liking. Then we started reacting his old movies.
And that too, they have written also in this, no, like his style, swag, everything will be there in this movie. So waiting for that, because all-round show like that they have mentioned, because he can do all-round show, no?
Yeah, definitely that we witnessed when we were watching his movies, especially like he can perform.
Yeah.
He can, he can use all the properties and he can perform like
Even
anything.
body language and the dialogue delivery,
The way
and
of
the
handling
expression,
humor
yeah.
and emotions, especially humor, emotions.
No, sound modulation too.
Body language.
Yeah, everything.
He is all rounder. So we'll react.
Yeah, we'll start.
Yeah.
Ready? His expression.
His looks are not changed at all. He's in uniform.
Police.
Oh.
Wow.
Maliidentaa.
Mass Jatara.
I felt like Vikramarkudu vibe, like, right?
Yeah,
because
police.
it might be the police and chore vibe also getting actually because of looks.
Look that too mustache.
That,
and all.
thick mustache and, especially it's not having much dialogues. It's a glimpse video, but not much dialogues.
But with expressions he nailed actually.
Yeah. She's having the same
And
look.
that to mirror shot, no, almost. In Vengi also we have seen, no, train time, like he will be talking to him itself while doing mistakes, blunders and all with the Sneha. No? So that
just
he will
be
come back.
reacted.
Yeah, then he will come back and tell, no, in the mirror.
Might be his mirror look people
Yeah,
like
yeah,
more,
yeah.
or he himself likes more. Actually, that's why. Or it might be a kind of an
Or a
identification.
reference or anything.
Yeah,
Don't
it can be a reference also. But exactly I felt the same vibe of Vikramarkudu movie.
No, not only Vikramarkudu. I think because in Vengi, no, in the end, the climax, he is a police officer, no. Till
And
that he is not police officer
and in
actually.
police uniform, he would nail it. Like, I don't know, like that costume is matching
Yeah.
so well.
That's why in every movie he'll be there in that.
At least one
costume,
reference would
one
be
scene,
showing.
yeah.
Because in that movie also,
Khadgam.
like Khadgam movie also, like there was a small scene. I feel as
Comedy
fans
police.
and
No,
police
comedy
will be
police-
like that.
No, he can do both. Like if it is a mass, like serious mode, no.
It will be
Vikram Arkadu,
extreme,
yeah.
extreme mass. Or it would be like, extreme
Comedy.
funny mode will be like going. So that two mode actually, that's the reason. I like his, more of funny mode.
Funnier part, yeah.
Funnier
yeah.
that, playing that body language and especially you like nail in that kind of character. So, and especially in the new era, like I have not watched any of his movies.
New movies.
We
yeah.
talk based on the records or reports, we have not watched any recent movies. Like we watched of his movies of 2003 till 10.
We can tell also, no, only few we have watched. Vikram Arkadu, Kick and Khadgam and this one, Vengi. 4 movies.
Yeah, 4 movies. But all the movies we liked so much.
Superb.
Even though in Khadgam movie, he has almost like a second role, right?
Yeah.
But still, like, we'll be remembering his character and he has also got so much importance in that movie. And in Vikram Arkadu, my God.
Two shades. Superb.
He nailed it. That's the best movie actually we watched of Ramesh Garu.
Because the 2 shades in the extreme.
And second, I like Kick.
Kick, yeah. Kick.
Then third is, almost we can say like Khadgam and Vengi almost the same. Because in Vengi movie also so many characters are there,
Characters are
Other people. And in that movie also all are getting even space.
Yeah.
So that's why. In Khadgam movie also the same way. And about this movie is just a glimpse video. Might be it is just like, as his birthday, they would have just given for people who liked him to celebrate actually on special
That's why they are told, in the song itself, that background score was Mas Maharaja Ka Mas Jatara. Like that only they told.
So waiting for further updates from this movie. So please comment your opinion about this glimpse video. We'll see another video.